Thomas the Tank Engine wouldn't stop being a nuisance. Night after night he kept the other engines awake. I'm tired of pushing coaches. I want to see the world. The other engines didn't take much notice, but Thomas was a little engine with a long tongue. But one night, Edward came to the show. He was a kind engine and felt sorry for Thomas. I've got some trucks to take home tomorrow. If you take them instead of me, I'll push coaches in the yard. Thank you, said Thomas. That will be nice. Next morning, Edward and Thomas asked their drivers, and when they said yes, Thomas ran off happily to find trucks. Now, trucks are silly and noisy. They talk a lot and don't attend to what they are doing. I'm sorry to say they do tricks on me. Edward knew all about trucks. He warned Thomas to be careful, but Thomas was too excited to listen. The shutter finally complete, and when the signal dropped, Thomas was ready. The guard blew his whistle, peep peep, answered Thomas, and started off. But the trucks weren't ready. Oh, this is where Thomas went. But Thomas wouldn't wait.
This is brilliant. I love the noises and the smells. Look, Rupert's here. Rupert! Rupert the bear. Everyone knows his name. Rupert the bear. Everyone come and join in all of his games. Rupert the bear. Everyone knows his name. Rupert the bear. Everyone come and join in all of his games.
Thomas began going faster and faster.
Rupert the bear. Everyone knows his name. Rupert the bear. Everyone come and join in all of his games. There's a little train driven by steam.
Hurry, hurry, called Thomas. He was feeling very proud of himself.
Chugging down the track, carrying the people, and he's waiting there so he'll be on time. I can hear you coming.
But the trucks crossed it and crossed it. bumping into each other. Go on, go on. Before the driver could stop them, they had pushed Thomas down the hill and were rattling and laughing behind. Poor Thomas tried hard to stop them from making him go too fast. Stop pushing, he hissed, but the trucks took no notice. Go on, they giggled in their silly way. There's the station. Oh dear, what shall I do? He cried. Rattling slowly through and swerved into the truck. Thomas shut his eyes. I must stop. When he opened his eyes, he saw he had stopped just in front of the buffers. There, watching him, was the Fat Controller. What are you doing here, Thomas? He asked. I brought Edward's trucks, Thomas answered. Why did you come so fast? I didn't mean to. I was pushed, said Thomas. You've got a lot to learn about trucks then, little Thomas. After pushing them around here for a few weeks, you'll know almost as much about them as Edward.